Entry into hepatocytes occurs through the interaction of the viral envelope with receptors on the surface of the host cell. The virus undergoes a fusion and uncoating step, releasing positive strand viral RNA. HCV utilizes many of the host cell's proteins and molecules in order to replicate. The first step is the translation of the viral RNA genome into a polyprotein. The polyprotein is processed by both host cell and viral proteases into structural and non-structural proteins. An essential step in the replication of viral RNA is the interaction of the host cell protein cyclophilin A with the viral proteins NS5A and NS5B. This enables the functional replication complex. A replication complex is now formed to generate new viral RNA. A negative strand RNA intermediate is formed and is used as a template for the synthesis of positive strand RNA. The viral RNA is then packaged to form new HCV virals. The virals mature in the Golgi apparatus and are released from the host cell by
hepatitis C? Not sure where to start. Well, you know you can get infected without even having to try. Remember that time you borrowed my razor? Or how about that time you went and got a tattoo? Even though I told you it would hurt. Wow! Or how about that time we went on holiday? No, not that holiday either. You know, the one where you borrowed my toothbrush. Well then, what are you moping for? It hasn't got any symptoms. How do you know you haven't got it already? Have you been tested? Well then, go on. Well, what do you know? You've done it. Now who feels like a clever boy?
Symptoms. Abdominal pain. Stools will look different, often characterized by a clay color. Urine will also look different, becoming darker and even coffee colored. The patient is likely to experience an unusual amount of itching. The patient will have unusual headaches. Jaundice, which makes the skin and whites of the eyes look yellow. Individuals with hepatitis C sometimes experience a loss of appetite. Muscle aches. Some of those who have been infected with hepatitis C will suffer nausea and vomiting. Hepatitis C is caused by the hepatitis C virus, which is also commonly known as HCV. Most of the time, an exchange of blood is needed to transmit the virus from one person to another. It is not
the virus enters the cell and produces structures that are not found in uninfected cells. The presence of this viral material signals the cell to produce interferon. The interferon moves out of the cell and attaches to receptors on nearby cells of the same type. The cell that produces the interferon is unable to save itself. The virus replicates in this cell and then moves out to infect nearby cells. The nearby cell that already has interferon bound to its surface responds in several ways, including production of enzymes that degrade messenger RNA and prevent protein synthesis. Thus, a virus can attach and enter the cell, but completion of the viral replication cycle is prevented.